I'm just doing a quick review on this Think Diagnostic. It's a OBD code reader for your iPhone or Android phone. I've already loaded the software into my phone. It was pretty quick and simple. It's got the all the instructions are in it. Anyway, it's got the little serial number and its code and everything on it. You register on the site. It's quick, fast, and what I'm going to do first, I'm going to do a diagnosis with $1,000 bidirectional. This is also a ThinkCar. I've been using this for about a year. Love it. It does absolutely everything. But I'm in a 2011 GMC Sierra 3500, and we can see a check engine light. So first I'm going to scan it on this truck, and we'll see the difference between doing it American on this one and the other one. See if it can pick up the same things that this very expensive code reader can do. So this one's plugged into Bluetooth as well. Automatic transfer case, manual transfer case, yes. Air conditioning, automatic, note, manual. Well, since it's winter and it's like -10 out, I've got the car running. It's going to slow down the reading from the OBD a little bit. Usually you just have the key turned to the on position, but once you've got it running, it slows everything down a little bit. Trailer brake, yes. Under 85. Vehicle stability, yes. Not a Z95. And health report. So we'll see what this one picks up and how quick it scans it. I believe there's an O2 sensor issue. The more modules you have on your car, the longer it takes to scan. This truck has got very little in the way of options, not even power windows or locks or anything, but still takes a bit to scan. So it's about a minute, it looks like. And again, we're just going to read the codes. We're not going to erase them on here, and then we'll try it out against the Think Diagnostic, the TKD01, I think it's called. So 114 it looks like. Heated O2 sensor. And that's it. Okay. So that is the fault code. So I'm going to set up, unplug this one, plug that one in, and we'll get ready, and we will watch how quickly this one can diagnose it. So this is about $800, or well, about $1,000. And this is about 120. So anyway, back in one sec. Okay, so here's the app loaded and ready on my phone. There's the USB dongle. So this is on my phone. So all system diagnostics, VIN decoding, next, next, close. Chevrolet. I haven't set this whole thing up yet, so I might be missing a few steps to setting it up. Health report, automatic, system configuration, don't even know what that is. Sure, yes. Automatic manual heating. So far it's mostly the same. You can see the dongle is blinking blue down there. I guess that means it's connected. So what was the other one? The big boy did it in 114. Let's see what this one does it in. With trailer brake, under 86, with vehicle stability, and no Z95 package.
Engine control module, EC. Transmission control module, TCM, no fault code. Amplifier, Bose, amp Bose, not equipped. Body control module, BCM, no fault code. Body control module, auxiliary, BCMX, not equipped. Digital radio receiver, DRR, not equipped. Driver door switch, DDS not equipped. HVAC control module, HVAC-CM, no fault code. Memory seat module, MSM not equipped. Park assist module, PAM, not equipped. Passenger door switch, PDS, not equipped. Passenger presence system, PPS not equipped. Personal audio link module, PALM. Radio, no fault code. Rear heated seat module, RHSM, not equipped. Rear heating ventilation and air conditioning, RHVAC, rear seat. Remote control door lock receiver, RCDLR, not equipped. Supplemental inflatable restraint. Vehicle communication interface module, SIM, no fault. Electronic suspension control, ESC not equipped.
Well, that's noisy. ECM. Yeah, read fault code. Heated oxygen sensor, so it picked it up. 10 seconds slower than the expensive one. So I'm going to clear this, and then we'll take a quick look at what else this thing can do. So, you know, $900 less and 10 seconds slower, but the special functions. Oh, it's got idle learn reset. Let's try it. Commanded state none. Let's reset it. Oh, because the engine is running. Oh, let's turn it off and see what happens. Except we're going to get binging. Let's see if it'll actually do it. Idle learn. Apparently it did it. It said it was reset, oil life reset. It does have, well, the display shows change engine oil soon, which I know. Oil life 0. Continue. Confirm. Wow, let's see if it stays on. It should read down there that the oil needs to be changed, and it is. It reset that engine light, which was on there. That's the four-wheel drive light. And no oil change code. Really? Oh, change engine oil soon. It didn't reset it. Okay. The dimmer, my grandkids were playing in here, so they turned the dimmer down. Okay, so that didn't. Let's see if we can try that again. Maybe because I'd shut the car off. Let's try it one more time. Oil life reset. Engine oil life. Input a decimal number. Well, let's put 100. Confirm. Confirm. Continue. Confirm. Oh, now it's gone. Okay, so it did do it. It did reset the check engine. So let's just, I'm sorry this is going to be being long, but I don't know how this thing works. I don't know what it can do. It appears it can do quite a bit. What's common functions? Can it actually do ABS bleeding? Brake pad replacement, brake pressure sensor calibration. Really? Okay, so apparently I'm not going to do this. I'm going to cancel. Wow. If it can do all this for $130 and the diagnosis, yes. Maintenance functions. Oh, there's different ones. I did download some of these when it first opened. I hit download all, and then I stopped it so I could do it on screen, but apparently it did a bunch of them. Break, open. Really? Okay. Apparently it can do all this maintenance functions. Oh wait, no. So this is vehicle, list of vehicle coverage. Let's see. I'm just going to click Hyundai because I have a Hyundai. Okay, no, it just wants to know the vehicle you're in right now. TPMS. If you've got electronic suspension, sunroof. What is SAS? I'm not sure. Oil set reset, yes. Injector coating. Electronic throttles. What's ETS? No, sure, not sure. EGR, we all know what that is. DPF is the exhaust fluid for diesels. So brake would be when you're doing, if you've got electronic parking brake, and this would be bleeding brakes for ABS systems. Wow. It can't actually do all this, can it? What's OBD functions? Sorry, this is a little bit of a long video, but if you're thinking of spending $130, I think you can spend 5 or 6 minutes and see what can possibly work on this car. Or on this reader. Vehicle coverage inquire. Oh, that's for VIN, model selection. Let's see if it would work on an Aston Martin. We no longer have one, but let's see if it would. Let's see if it covers it. Vantage. It was a 2006 search. Oh my God. So it is able to read functions, live data, module information. I'm sure if I hit diagnose, it's going to think it's plugged into that specific car, but this is all it can read. Wow. It says it can do this. I don't know if it can. I have no way of testing. But that's crazy. Let's see if there's any special coding we can do on this truck. I don't know if there is or not. Reports, Think Store. What's that Think Store? Oh, you can download. Okay, this is the one I was in where I was downloading the different vehicle, all of the software in order to check different vehicles. There's a bunch that I didn't, and some that started, which I paused again so I could resume it during. Let's just download Lamborghini for the hell of it and see how quick it goes. 8, 9, 10. Well, it's probably going to take about 50, 60 seconds to download Lamborghini, so that's pretty good. And you can switch between American, European, Asian, back to European. Hey, Volkswagen is downloading on its own. Oh, that might have been one of the ones that I left. I was paused while I was downloading them at first. What happens once it downloads? We'll take a look and see. Bugatti is downloading. Bentley is downloading. Yeah, but like I said, a bunch were downloading when I first hooked this up and started it. It was just updating a bunch of the files, so I guess it was updating these certain brands. So Bentley's almost done, so let's see what happens when Bentley is done, what it says. Again, sorry for the length of this. I don't know what this can do. The only way to do it is to find out and check it, and if you're interested, you're interested. If this is something you want to know, you want to know it. Let's see. Let's just go through it and see. That fan a little loud in the truck. Unzipping. Pook. Oh, I guess I opened it. So apparently it does have all this. It covers all these models. Are you kidding me? No, we're not doing that. Because we're not hooked up to a damn Bentley. Neat. So this is devices, parts. I guess you can buy stuff on here. So these were, yeah, these were downloading too. These maintenance items were downloading when I first opened it, and I stopped the download again so I could see what was, okay, so TPMS hadn't been downloaded yet. The suspension one hadn't been downloaded. Sunroof. Okay. Some of them downloaded already, some of them haven't. Let's go. Apparently works pretty damn good. Oh, what's this? Gadgets. I did notice that when I first scanned a different vehicle, I can't do it because I don't have a check engine light now. When I clicked because I'm hooked to Wi-Fi, when I clicked on that engine code, it took me to the internet and showed me results for that engine code and for this vehicle that was being scanned. So it helps you diagnose those codes once you do get it. So this is for $130. This is ridiculously good. Okay, cool. Anyway, yeah, Think Diagnostic TKD01. Get them on Amazon. I'll put some links in the description as where you can get them. But I don't think it's quite as fast, and doesn't have all of the. It's not going to have system activation and stuff like my big one does. But for $130, Jesus. 5 years ago, you couldn't get for $1,000. You couldn't get something that did this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you. It's a ThinkCar TKD. Not sure what it is now. TKD01, I believe. Yes, TKD01. So anyway, I'll point you in some directions you can find it. I don't make any money off of this, but if it's a good product, it's a good product. I'm going to pass it on to you. Thanks for watching.